Hi, I'm your Hyundai guy Mark at Surgeon Hyundai, and there's a feature on the Hyundai vehicle that I like to show you that I feel gets overlooked. It's the favorites button. Actually, there's two, and we're going to go inside and I'm going to show you where they are and show you what they do. Alright, now that we're inside the car, I'm going to show you exactly where you can find the favorite buttons, and you'll know exactly which ones they are. They have a star on them. So right here in the center console, and another one all the way over here on the steering wheel. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to access it and how to program each button to do what you want. Alright, so now I'm going to press the first one in the center console. So press it, and you'll notice on the screen it'll come up with a menu of features. You can choose one of these features only. So for this, I'm going to do display on or off. I like this feature myself. I drive late at night and I don't like the screen to be as busy. So now when I press this button, you'll notice that the screen goes off. And I can turn the screen back on by pressing the star button. I'll turn it off again, or I can simply press the screen, it'll go back on. Now I'll show you how to program the steering wheel favorites button. Alright, now I'm going to show you how to program the steering wheel favorites button. Again, it's a star, so I'm just going to press it once. It's going to populate with a list of one item that you can choose from that list. I'm going to press radio media on or off. For this demonstration now, I'm going to actually turn the radio on. You can sing and dance along to it while it's playing. Now, I might be talking with my passenger or doing something else and can't focus on the music. I can press the star button, and now the music has gone off. And I can press it again and it goes back on. Now I'm going to show you how to reprogram a button. I'm just going to do it here on the center console. So as you remember, I had that one set to turn it on and off, the screen. Now if I want to reprogram it, I touch and hold it down until that menu comes back up, and now I can choose any other function. So now you know how to use and what the favorites buttons do. Thanks so much for watching my video feature on the Hyundai vehicle. I hope that you found it useful and can use it in the future. And I do invite you to reach out to me or leave a comment that if you have a feature or function that you don't know how to use it or what it does, I'll teach you. Thanks again. Have a great day.